welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian Solidarity Fund of the Salesian Foundation of Portugal recently launched two fundraising projects to support the participation of pilgrims in World Youth Day Lisbon 2023. The projects aim to offer the neediest youth from the Salesian Youth Movement and volunteers from WYD Don Bosco 23, the Salesian Youth Movement organization in charge of convening and engaging young people from various Salesian environments around the world in WYD Lisbon 2023, the opportunity to participate in this immense youth event together with Pope Francis. Everything is ready for the 2023 celebrations of the Saint of Youth at Rome's Don Bosco neighborhood, the only one in the capital city named after the parish of reference. Don Bosco, a popular and populous neighborhood, is intimately linked to the figure of Piedmontese saint and the presence of the Salesians. And in fact, the heart of the festivities will be the Basilica of Don Bosco, where the preparation for the solemn feast begin this Sunday, January 22nd, with a solemn Eucharistic celebration at 11 a.m. presided over by Father Stefano Mortlogio, Vicar of the Rector Major, followed by a meeting with a large pastoral educational community. On the 19th of January, the annual meeting of the Provincial Councils of the Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians of Venezuela was held at the Provincial House of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. The objective of the gathering was to take stock of the topics that had been addressed at the previous meeting in the sectors of youth ministry, school, missions, health, Salesian youth movement and vocational animation pathways on the paths taken and the challenges to be overcome, and to reflect on working together to be more significant and incisive in mission. It was a fraternal meeting full of hope and perspectives to continue to work and strengthen the Salesian mission for a better Venezuela. On January 8, the Salesian Vice Province Africa Congo ACC celebrated the Rector Major Strena 2023 feast as the Yeast in Today's Human Family, the lay dimension of the family of Don Bosco. The Eucharistic celebration was presided over by Father Manuel Jimenez Castro, Superior of the ACC Vice Province. The Salesian Province of Ireland, in partnership with St. Patrick's Pontifical University, Maynooth, officially launched the new Youth Ministry and Spirituality course on Wednesday, 18 January in the university. The course started in September 2022 with the first batch of students. There are 4 Salesians teaching in the course. Other activities for the Feast of Don Bosco include a novena to Don Bosco in the Salesian Formation House, to be followed by a Mass in the local parish of Maynooth on the Feast of Don Bosco. So viewers, that is all we have. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.